Platinum Paving and Concrete is a full-service asphalt and concrete parking lot contractor proudly serving the greater Kansas City area. Our company has been built on three core values: honesty, quality, and affordability. We offer a full range of services using quality materials, experienced manpower, and the right equipment designed for the specific job at hand. Our services include new construction asphalt and concrete, commercial asphalt paving, residential asphalt paving, asphalt repair, crack sealing, seal coating, stripe and restripe services, concrete driveways, sidewalks and curbs, and lastly bollards, signage, and wheel stops. Our service areas include North Kansas City, Downtown Kansas City, South Kansas City, Gladstone, Platte Woods, Independence, Overland Park, Shawnee, Liberty, Lee's Summit, Olathe, Lenexa, Grandview, Belton, Raymore, Blue Springs, and Leawood. Contact us today on 816-702-0013 or visit our website for more information.